Imagine looking out your window, taking in the serene view of the world outside. Everything seems normal. The birds are singing their morning songs. The leaves are rustling gently in the breeze. It's a picture of tranquility. Then, suddenly, everything stops. The birds freeze mid-flight. The leaves hang motionless in the air, as if time itself has been paused. The Earth, our giant spinning globe, has come to a standstill. Imagine the unimaginable, our planet ceasing its rotation for just 1 second. Even for just 1 second, the consequences would be profound. The sudden halt would cause everything on the surface to continue moving at the Earth's rotational speed, around 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. This would result in a catastrophic chain reaction. Buildings, trees, and even the oceans would be thrown eastward with immense force. Earthquakes would shatter the ground, tsunamis would engulf coastlines, and volcanic eruptions would darken the skies. The very forces that make our world habitable would turn against us in an instant, transforming our environment in ways we can scarcely comprehend. We often take for granted the Earth's rotation. It's a constant, unchanging force that we rarely think about in our daily lives. We perceive it through the cycle of day and night, a rhythm that dictates our very existence. But this motion is far more profound than just providing sunlight. It shapes the very essence of our world, influencing countless natural phenomena. At the equator, the Earth spins at a staggering 1,000 miles per hour. This incredible speed is a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. This constant rotation is woven into the fabric of our planet, influencing everything from ocean currents to the very air we breathe. The winds that rustle the leaves, the waves that crash upon the shore, all are driven by this relentless spin. This speed, while invisible to us, is the silent guardian of our existence. It maintains the balance of our environment, ensuring that life can thrive. But what if this guardian were to take a break, even for a second? The very thought is unsettling. The consequences would be nothing short of apocalyptic. The sudden halt would unleash catastrophic forces, disrupting the delicate equilibrium that sustains life on Earth. Our world as we know it would be irrevocably changed. One of the fundamental laws of physics is inertia. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. Now apply that law to a planet that suddenly stops spinning. Everything on the Earth's surface, including us, is also moving at that same 1,000 miles per hour. Imagine buildings, trees, cars, and people all moving eastward at that unimaginable speed. The sheer force of this sudden stop would be equivalent to a global earthquake unlike anything ever recorded. Section 4. Unleashing nature's fury. The Earth's crust would shudder violently, unleashing a series of earthquakes on a scale that would redefine the Richter scale. Buildings would crumble, roads would split open, and the very ground beneath our feet would become a treacherous landscape of destruction. Oceans, no longer held back by the centrifugal force of the Earth's spin, would surge forward in monstrous tsunamis. These waves, towering higher than any seen before, would crash onto shores with unimaginable force, obliterating everything in their path. Coastal cities would be swallowed beneath walls of water miles high. Entire communities would be submerged, leaving nothing but a watery grave where vibrant cities once stood. The interior of the Earth would also feel the impact. The delicate balance of the planet's inner layers would be disrupted, causing a chain reaction of geological events. The molten core, used to the spinning motion, would slosh against its confines, potentially triggering volcanic eruptions on a global scale. Lava would spew forth, ash clouds would darken the skies, and the air would become thick with the scent of sulfur. This 1-second pause would become a geological nightmare. The Earth, in its momentary stillness, would unleash a fury that would reshape the world as we know it, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Section 5. Atmospheric anarchy. The atmosphere, also subject to inertia, would continue to move at 1,000 miles per hour. This would create hurricane-force winds across the entire planet, ripping apart structures and scattering debris for thousands of miles. The air itself would become a weaponized force, a global blender of unimaginable power. Even after the Earth resumed its rotation, the atmosphere would take time to stabilize. This would lead to unpredictable weather patterns and massive storms for months, if not years, to come. Section 6. Our spinning oasis. It's important to remember that this is a what-if scenario. The Earth stopping its rotation even for a second is highly improbable. However, this thought experiment serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance that makes life on Earth possible. The Earth's rotation is not just a cosmic coincidence, it's a fundamental force that shapes our world. It's the invisible hand that dictates our days, our seasons, and our very existence. Let us never take this for granted.